NUM's General Secretary Frans Belani says the high rate of unemployment contributes to illegal mining, and schools have been disrupted at Sharpeville in the Vaal. I'm Richard Brooks. NUM's General Secretary Frans Belani says the high rate of unemployment contributes to illegal mining. This follows an underground accident in which 20 illegal miners are believed to have died in a massive rockfall on the East Rand. The Department of Mineral Resources has said it will study the recommendations to seal off the area at the abandoned Grootflame mine. Belani says law enforcement agencies should step up efforts to arrest the ringleaders of illegal mining.
What we have seen is that the task team act on incident basis. You will remember that they made few arrests around Velcom and so on. So this matter needs continuous investigation, primarily by the intelligence forces, to an extent that they can get to the ringleaders. We would urge the police really to play a central role in getting to the syndicates. That's where you will then unblock the trading of this illegal gold.
Legal experts say the Supreme Court of Appeal's decision has given the Democratic Alliance only limited access to the records that led to the decision to drop the corruption and fraud charges against President Jacob Zuma. The SCA today ruled that the High Court can now review the decision by the then acting NPA head Mokotedi Mshe before the 2009 elections. However, the court did not give the DA access to tapes of a statement made by President Jacob Zuma to the NPA because it was made under privilege. Senior lecturer in law at the University of Cape Town, Kathy Howell, says if the controversial tapes are protected by privilege, they cannot be made public.
When Jacob Zuma made his statements, according to which the NPA then dropped the charges, he made those statements under privilege. In other words, he made them subject to their not being part of the public record or not being repeated. So at the moment, the record that the court can ask for would exclude those statements by Jacob Zuma. The SCA points out that this doesn't necessarily work out to his advantage, because it may be that without the statements he made, the National Prosecuting Authority can't actually justify its decision to drop the case.
Schools have been disrupted at Sharpeville in the Vaal. This as residents express their dissatisfaction that this year's main Human Rights Day event will be held in Soweto. This day is best known in the country for commemorating the 1960 Sharpeville massacre. Several streets have been barricaded with burning tyres and rocks, and some shops belonging to foreign nationals have been looted. High school learner Itumeleng Mofokeng is not happy about the strike.
I see you're not at school, right?
The taxis are not here.
How do you feel about the strike today?
No, it's very bad. We can't get educated. You see, today I was writing. I didn't get a chance to write Afrikaans today. It's very bad. We're feeling very, very bad about the strike.
The Human Sciences Research Council has kicked off a 42 million rand national health survey in the Western Cape. The process involves trained field workers and health professionals visiting homes to assess the health and nutritional status of South Africans. The survey has also begun in KZN, Limpopo and Gauteng. Community members will undergo free medical checkups in mobile clinics operated by doctors and nurses. Principal investigator Professor Dimitri Labadarios.
The study is about finding information, and that is now recent as opposed to old information, about the state of health and nutrition in the country, and aims to address selected health issues in the country on which we need information to inform the priority indicators of the National Department of Health.